Nice. So first of two plates inventorized exceptionally before to start the menus and the pairing. So in this first plate you can find just in front of you in the middle the small sweet candied onion tart made with a tropea onion. In the big white spoon on the top of this onion tart you have the piña coco beans from the garden prepared with a pesto made with basil from Pra, which is the original basil of the traditional pesto genovese. On the left side, you're going to find the same basil on the top of the biscotte bread, mixed with Tagias olives from Liguria, olive oil and pink garlic from Lautrec in south of France, and the small white spoon on the top, the candied Datterino tomatoes prepared like Provençal style. S'il vous plaît, monsieur. It's our main salad with the fresh local melon and cucumber sorbet on the top, and in the bottom, a mint infusion with olive oil. So it's time to start officially, let's say, with your menu salad. You're going to find the Datterino tomato water here, mixed with basil from Prague and olive oil. And on the top, you have the candied locals Napolitana eggplant, so candied with just a little bit garlic in the oven, fresh almonds on the top, and a tomato mousse in front of you. S'il vous plaît, monsieur.
Merci. Mais mort qu'elle soit.
Je peux y aller, s'il vous plaît. So, mesdames, messieurs, this time to continue, you're going to find another soup, a hot soup, this time with a soup made with a base of ground mushroom fumé, so mixed with a bit cream and butter. And inside the plate you can find just in front of you the locals wild Mary's mushroom, stuffed with brown mushrooms that you can also find on the left side of the plate with raw thin pieces. Hazelnuts from Piemonte as well. For the crispy side you have Gironde wild mushrooms and a bit truffles, so it's the first summer truffles here. S'il vous plaît, messieurs, bonne dégustation. To continue tonight, you're going to find a link to one of the most famous local dishes, which is the petit farci niçois. So a mix of local vegetables, usually stuffed with beef, pork, or a mix of these two. This time stuffed with a ratatouille with herbs. In the middle, a mix of salads from our garden, and the sauce was made with the water coming from the cooking time of all the vegetables here. S'il vous plaît, messieurs.
Please, mesdames, messieurs, to go with it, we continue with a wine from the Jura region, Domaine des Boîtes Rouges 2022, 100% Lusa.
Vegetables, so you're going to have half of these vegetables which are from our garden, Les Villages, and the other half from Liguria in Italy. And the sauce in the bottom was done with the green of the leeks. S'il vous plaît, monsieur. In there. Just here you will find the artichokes to continue. So the locals roasted purple artichokes on the left side. On the right side, a kind of a soufflé made with cottage cheese and bourbon olives. So made with the base of a mornay sauce. So bechamel mixed with cheese, with cottage cheese in this case. With this, a buffalo milk sauce mixed with cottage cheese and ricotta cheese. And on the right side, some small pieces of roasted pine.
S'il vous plaît, monsieur.
So, mesdames, messieurs, just here to continue tonight, you can find the mashed potato here. So this mashed potato with potatoes from Italian mountains. We did the sauce with the skins of those potatoes roasted mixed with hazelnut pastry from Piemonte and black white pepper from Madagascar. You will find on the top left side the pink garlic again, this time cooked with a low temperature in the oven for like 4 or 5 hours. Yeah, that's it. And you have also the roasted locust white porcini mushrooms and roasted Tagias olives.
S'il vous plaît, monsieur.
Finish with the salted dishes tonight. You're going to find our homemade ravioli stuffed with a mix of local herbs. A sweet sauce made with the San Marzano tomatoes from the garden and olive oil. And you have the first calabrese cocoa beans from the garden as well.
Thank you.
So, we just here to start with the dessert. This time tonight you're going to find our made cheesecake. So raw on the top and cooked in the bottom, with the rose flower jelly on the top. On the left side you have the locals apricot watch in the syrup, infused with lemongrass itself, and a verbena ice cream on the right side. Can you please second dessert tonight? You're gonna find the raspberry tart. So the raspberries were stuffed with a praline made with hazelnuts, vanilla ice cream on the left side, and a thick sauce made with raspberries as well. S'il vous plaît.
The last one to finish with, mesdames, messieurs, to go with this dessert and the second one. sparkling gamay from the Côte Rouennaise. It's a small wine region between Burgundy and Beaujolais on the west side. Domaine Serol 2023.
Finishing with your menus tonight, you're gonna find the first local white fig, so the one we used to call the first flowers fig. It can be a fennel in front of you. In the middle, you have the white fennel sorbet. So this is of white and red grapes, the first fruit and fresh almonds. Quelques douceurs pour terminer ce soir. Some sweets to finish tonight with homemade chocolates inside the white plate. So in the middle you have the truffle chocolate with the cereals inside, so hazelnuts, pineapple, squash seeds and pistachio. On the side of the same plate homemade ginger made with the guarana chocolate. And on the other plate, on the middle side, you have a bit like the cannoli in Venezia with the diplomat cream with vanilla inside. On the side you have the fresh burla cherries or Bigaro cherries, homemade financier made with local Kaiti olives, and on the other side you have the small blueberry stars.
C'est très belle.